I am, yes.
Yeah.
My exam
This is her
starts
last
in,
day of
yeah.
winter.
Yeah, I know. I am.
Hannah has an education degree and is a certified teacher.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah. Hey, Doug, look, it's the trailer. Look here. It's the trailer. That's Sunny's wheels. Good job walking in the place. Tina's in school as well. For her ECE. Yeah. So she's here helping me out with a little boy later that I need extra hands. And she offered. Thank you.
Helicopter. That's right. It might be an airplane. Honey.
Yeah, I think it's an airplane. What's that?
You got me at the horse.
Yeah. They have the most wonderful therapy dog. He's pretty much retired now. So he's
Maybe.
so
Will you be here